Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So I guess this video is more about issues with the Earthquake XT. Now this is essentially my main tool of, this is what I mainly use as far as mechanic work is concerned. This is one of my main tools, and after a while, and when I say after a while, it's the stuff that breaks down on this is basically the battery is going to be loose. The battery compartment is going to be loose. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You press on this, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. A lot of times it actually has to do with these I guess these little stems, electrical stems, I guess. I don't know. I don't know exactly what they're called, but normally sometimes they kind of what's the word I'm trying to say? They move apart over time, and you know what happens is it's kind of loose. This thing won't stay still, and it loses connection with the battery. So what I do is I'll use a screwdriver to pry it, either together or apart, one of those two things. This third one right here, which is the negative, the one I'll probably pry it closer. I don't know if that's the negative or not, but I'll pry. It'll move closer to it will move closer to here. Oh man, I can't talk today, but I'll pry it closer, to here, and most of the time that'll resolve the problem until it actually breaks down totally. And in those situations, I don't know what would cause it to break down totally, but it does. So